All right. At this stage of the project, the team needs access to all critical information. Project admins will be able to simply ask Autodesk Assistant. So let's say they want to know if there's anything that might delay the steel installation next week. Instead of providing narrow answers based on single documents, the tool will generate a list of all the relevant information. It will even draft an email to the trade partners to ask for an update, helping ensure everything goes smoothly. All right, so we're moving forward a few months, possibly a few years, given how projects go. The Snowden towers are done, and we're entering operations. Now, of course, all the data generated during design and construction doesn't just disappear. It becomes the foundation for something extremely powerful, a digital twin. Autodesk Tandem extends Forma and enriches the as-built model with operational data. That's important for our operations team that needs to stay on top of things. So here we go. We've got another cool live demo, and this time I'm introducing Adam up. Adam, you have the coolest title. You are subject matter expert.
Yeah, but I have 5 kids, and I can't get one of them to call me that. So I got a little work to do still.
I feel your pain on that one.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what have you got to show us?
Well, today I'm a facility manager, and I'm reviewing work orders for Snowden Towers in IBM's Maximo.
Okay.
And we're using Tandem as a connector. You can think of it as a bridge to the operations ecosystem. And this specific work order was created using our new feature, Tandem Insights. And it uses AI to find and summarize all the relevant information about a heat recovery unit that looks like it's about to fail.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to go ahead and click on the embedded link, and it's going to take me to a brand new dashboard with analytic capabilities that we've never had before.
Okay, so wait a second. You started in Maximo. Tandem captured the necessary data to create the work order, and then from Maximo, you immediately move into this environment where you're actually seeing the physical asset in its context.
Context and everything. That's exactly right. And so from here, I can see performance metrics, recent trends, and any other assets that are going to need attention.
Okay.
Now, this is really important because I have a lot of work orders throughout my day, and I can use this to prioritize this work order with all the other work that I have to do. So let's go ahead and dive into this particular unit. And yeah, it definitely looks like the people in that room are going to get pretty uncomfortable pretty quick. So I'll definitely add this to my list. I also have the ability to see what room it's in, any attached warranties or manuals, along with any other IoT data that is connected to this particular asset. And because I can see it in its spatial context, I know exactly where to go and what to expect to see when I get there. So in short, what we get out of Tandem is moving from being reactive to proactive with the predictive digital twin.
You're bringing the work order to life, too. It's an intuitive way of navigating and understanding exactly what's going on in the building.
Yeah, that's exactly right. It's so helpful to have this context.
Pretty impressive stuff. Thank you, Adam, our subject matter expert.
Yes, thank you, Andrew.
Talk to you soon.